December tha asi Chandel jila gisu yamna harauningai amadi nungsiningai oiba tha amani maramdi jila asi chingi district ama oibagi mathakta Christian dharma inba miyamna namna taba mafam oiba aduda Christmas kumhai lakpada khungi amasung tongan ba churchsingda kumhai sigi palan pangthoknaba sem sanari nahasing khunjasingna makhoi khungi amasung churchsingda star thetpa amadi makhal gi decoration kayama tawduna sem saraga leiri imung dasu makhal kayagi mai thanbaga loinana chamin thaminabagi program lekai gi kerol chatpa narki oiba isai jagoi saba amadi laining laisonga mari leinaba thoram kayasu pangthoknari amaromda lanai oiba sangstan amadi tongan ba loop singna district asigi praja singi yenglaga tha asigi horakpadagi winter carnival winter mela nachingba makhal kayagi thoramsu pangthoktuna lakli tha asigi mangada krishi vigyan kendra Chandel na sinduna healthy soil for healthy cities haiba hiramgi makhada world soil day lisingni kunmangagi palan thoram jila asigi monsang panthada leiba kvk Chandel gi conference hall da pangthokki thoram aduda kvk Chandel gi makok thangba official sing jila asigi horticulture abadi agriculture vibhag ki officials amasung lomi singna saruk yaki thoramgi saruk ma oina soil health card amadi makhal kayagi thananaba marumarang singsu lomi singda yenthokki tha sigi 13 tasu national innovation in climate resilient agriculture nikra project ki makhada integrated farming system gi saruk ma oina capacity building cum input distribution gi program amasu pangthokki numit aduda lomi singna saruk yaba kisan mela amasu phamki National Tobacco Control Program gi makhada District Tobacco Control Cell District Health Society Chandel na Tobacco Free Youth Campaign gi ahumrak suba edition Chandel gi oinasu tha asigi mapanda DC Office Complex ta hawdokpagi thormaduda Chandel gi Deputy Commissioner Additional Deputy Commissioner amadi Cell asigi District Nodal Officer yauna atai makok thangba official singna saruk yaki campaign asigi makhada health vibhag ki official singna schools college singda amadi tongan ba khun singda chattuna public awareness program pangthokhi tha sigi tarada district legal service authority Chandel amadi khuringkhu village legal aid clinic na punna khusamnaraga awareness cum commemoration of human rights day gi palan thoram jila asigi lambung village ta pangthokhi maru oina dissemination of awareness on human rights, access to justice, free legal aid and assistance, strengthening of social inclusion amadi dignity for all haiba topic ta akhang hai singna takpi tambikhi DLSA Chandel na marirak suba National Lok Adalat lisingni kunmanga su tha sigi 12 da pangthokhi hojik aroibada handak nauna transfer lakpa Chandel district ki deputy commissioner dagi wafam kara taminase
Good evening, people of Chandel. I am Hemant Kumar. I am IS of 22 batch. I recently joined Chandel as Deputy Commissioner on 10th of December 2025. I wish everyone a Merry Christmas. I wish all the best to people of Chandel for New Year also. And as I am recently joined as Deputy Commissioner of Chandel, I would like to work for the people of Chandel with the support of all the people and all the chiefs, all the villagers and all the persons from town area and all the persons who are in government service, all the persons who are privately employed, all the farmers, all the women and everyone and students and all the unions. I would like to work with all of you, with the support of all of you for the development and betterment of Chandel district. In the last week since I joined on 10th of December, we have focused on resettlement of internally displaced people. We are constantly monitoring the progress of housing schemes and at the same time we are constantly working for better achievement in aspirational district program and aspirational block program that is going on in our district. At the same time, I am reviewing departments schemes, especially agriculture and animal husbandry. In agriculture, we have been doing awareness program and land development programs for palm oil, and we have recently have one awareness program in Chakrikarong area also. So with your support, we will do better in agriculture and all these allied activities. At the same time, in other areas also. In coming weeks and coming months, I would like to touch upon on all the issues and all the areas of work that we are to undertake in our district.